Jamaica maintains deep economic ties with the United States. We have a strong diaspora connections, certainly within the within Florida, New York, and in general across the United States of America. But these are the two biggest centers. We have some strong security cooperation with Washington and a long-standing solidarity on the home front with CARICOM partners. Now, the United States remains Jamaica's largest trading partner and a primary tourism source market. The Jamaican diaspora in the United States contributes billions in remittances annually and are a critical economic lifeline. At the same time, Jamaica shares decades of regional history with Cuba, history that cannot be erased by diplomatic pressure.